Hello everyone, my name is Gajendra Deshpande and I am working as Assistant Professor in KLS Gogte Institute of Technology, India. Today I will be delivering a lightning talk on Python in education for Generation Z. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss today. So let's first discuss who are Generation Z students and what do you mean by BYOD. Okay, so Generation Z, these are the people born from 1995 to 2010. So these are true digital natives. That is, from their earliest youth, they have been exposed to the internet, social networks, and mobile systems. So BYOD stands for Bring Your Own Device. So with BYOD, you are creating one-to-one classroom. Students bring and use their own devices in the classroom. So Generation Z students are more technologically savvy. So they believe in hands-on learning. Most of the teachers, they don't belong to Generation Z. They belong to previous generations. They need to be equipped with the technology so that they can teach better to Generation Z students and create a great learning experience for them. So BYOD has got its own advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are that they know the devices, it is cost effective, learning from outside school hours is possible, and disadvantages are that students, there can be students without devices and there are devices with different configurations. It can cause distraction. Now many countries are supporting BYOD policy in their classroom. So this is the first tool known as QPython. It's an app using which you can do programming, Python programming in the classroom. So it's a very good tool. You can see here it has got various features. So it has a Python interpreter where you can execute the programs. It has also got the Jupyter notebook where you can execute the programs. Apart from that, it also supports some editors where you can write the programs and save it and execute it. It's a very good tool which can be used in the classroom. Then there is a tool called as Blockly by Google where you can see the drag and drop blocks. You need to arrange them in order to generate the source code. Then next there is a tool called as Flowgorithm. It is a flowchart interpreter created by Devin Cook where you can draw the flowchart and generate the source code in a corresponding language. So Python is also supported and you can execute the program. Then next is a VisuPy tool. This was a application which was created in CERN WebFest 2020 recently. So it does the opposite job of Flowgorithm. That is, from the source code, it can generate the flowchart. So it's basically code visualization tool. It helps us to understand the code flow properly or better. Then this is an interesting project, again, Python textbook companion project by FOSSEE India. So here what happens is textbook companion activity aims to create a repository of reference material for Python by coding solve examples from standard engineering textbooks using Python. So engineering textbooks have equations or they may have the code in other languages. So basically it creates a lot of reference material using Python. So thank you.